Many underestimate the power of a good makeup brush. It's not just a tool, it's the magic wand that enhances your beauty. In the world of beauty and cosmetics, makeup brushes are often the unsung heroes. They are the silent partners that work in tandem with the vibrant eyeshadows and the lustrous lipsticks, creating enchanting looks that captivate and charm. The right brush can turn a simple makeup routine into an artistry, blending colors seamlessly, applying products with precision, and contouring the face to highlight its best features. Imagine having a palette of stunning shades, but not having the right brush to apply them. It's like having a canvas and paint, but no brushes to create a masterpiece. The importance of makeup brushes extends far beyond just applying products. They are essential for achieving that flawless finish, that perfect blend, and that natural glow. Each brush has a unique role to play, a distinct purpose to serve. From the wide, fluffy brushes used for powder application to the small, pointed ones used for detailing, every brush contributes to the overall look. They allow you to apply makeup evenly, ensuring that the product does not clump or streak. The right brush can make a significant difference in how your makeup looks and how long it lasts. Moreover, makeup brushes are not just about functionality. They are a symbol of the care and attention you give to your beauty routine. Using a quality brush is a statement of self-love, a signal that you value your appearance and take the time to enhance it. But remember, the power of makeup brushes is not just in their use, but also in their care. Clean, well-maintained brushes not only perform better, but also last longer. So treat your brushes with the respect they deserve. Remember, a makeup artist is only as good as their tools. And that's why understanding the power of makeup brushes is crucial. So, let's dive deep into the world of brushes in the next scene and explore the different types, their uses, and how to care for them. Navigating the world of makeup brushes can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right into the top 10 most popular types of makeup brushes and their uses. First off, we have the foundation brush. This brush is your best friend when it comes to creating a smooth, flawless base. Its densely packed bristles are perfect for applying liquid or cream foundation, ensuring an even coverage. Next up is the concealer brush. Smaller in size than the foundation brush, it's designed for targeted application and precise blending. It's perfect for covering up those pesky blemishes or under-eye circles. Moving on, we have the stippling brush. Now, this one might look a bit different with its duo fiber bristles. It's excellent for creating an airbrushed, high-definition finish with liquid or cream foundation. The trick is to use a stippling motion to blend the product into your skin. Then we have the powder brush. Its large, fluffy bristles are designed for dusting loose or compressed powder over your face, setting your foundation and giving you that matte finish. Next, the blush brush. This medium-sized brush with its domed tip is perfect for picking up blush and applying it onto the apples of your cheeks. It's all about adding that pop of color to brighten up your face. The contour brush is next in line. With its angled bristles, it's designed to help you define your facial features. Use it to apply contour powder or cream along the sides of your nose, under your cheekbones, and along your jawline. Now, let's talk about the eyeshadow brush. This small, flat brush is perfect for applying eyeshadow with precision. Whether you're going for a subtle day look or a dramatic smoky eye, this brush has got you covered. Next up is the blending brush. This fluffy brush is your secret weapon to seamlessly blend your eyeshadows together, eliminating any harsh lines and creating a professional-looking finish. The eyeliner brush is all about precision. Its fine, sharp bristles allow for a neat and precise application of gel or liquid eyeliner. Last but not least, the lip brush. This small, flat brush is designed for precise application of lipstick or gloss, giving you that perfect pout. And there you have it, the top 10 most popular types of makeup brushes and their uses. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in your makeup application. So, take time to know your brushes, understand their uses, and learn how to wield them like a pro. Knowing which brush to use is the first step to achieving that flawless look. Just like your skin, your brushes need care too. Now, you might be wondering why it's so important to clean your makeup brushes regularly. The answer is quite simple. Over time, brushes accumulate product, dust, oil, and bacteria, which can not only affect the application of your makeup, but can also cause skin irritation or breakouts. So, let's dive into how you can keep your brushes in top shape. Cleaning your brushes doesn't need to be a complicated process. In fact, it's as simple as using some dish soap and water. Here's how you do it. Wet the bristles with lukewarm water, apply a small amount of dish soap, and gently massage the bristles to break down the makeup buildup. Rinse thoroughly and squeeze out the excess water. Remember to keep the bristles pointed downwards to prevent water from seeping into the handle, as this can loosen the glue over time and cause the bristles to shed. If your brushes are heavily soiled or used for applying long-lasting products like gel eyeliner or lipstick, you might need something stronger. That's where acetone comes in. It's an excellent solvent that can dissolve stubborn makeup residue. However, be careful. Acetone can be harsh on the bristles and your skin, so always wear gloves when using it. Just like before, wet the brush, apply a small amount of acetone on a paper towel, and gently swirl the brush until it's clean. Rinse thoroughly and squeeze out the excess liquid. Regardless of which method you choose, always reshape your brushes while they're still damp and let them dry flat on a towel. This way, they'll retain their shape and be ready to use for your next makeup application. Remember, a well-cared-for brush not only performs better, but also extends its lifespan, saving you money in the long run. So, don't forget to show your brushes some love and clean them regularly. After all, a clean brush is a happy brush. Now that your brushes are clean, let's talk about storage. Storing your makeup brushes correctly is just as important as keeping them clean. It's not just about organization, it's about the longevity and performance of your brushes. So let's dive right into it. First things first, always store your brushes in an upright position, with the bristles facing up. Why? Well, it's simple. This position allows the brushes to maintain their shape and prevents any damage to the bristles. Think of it as giving your brushes a well-deserved break after working hard to create that flawless makeup look. Now you might be thinking, what's the best way to keep my brushes upright? A great solution is to invest in a brush holder or a pencil cup. These holders are designed to keep your brushes organized and upright, protecting the bristles from any unnecessary friction or bending. But what about when you're on the go or working on a client? In such cases, a waist belt designed for brushes can be a game changer. This handy accessory not only keeps your brushes within easy reach, but also prevents them from getting lost or damaged during transportation. Plus, it gives you that professional look. Remember, the goal here is to keep your brushes as happy and healthy as possible. That means avoiding storing them in closed, damp spaces where bacteria could thrive. Instead, choose a cool, dry place where your brushes can breathe. One final point to keep in mind is that not all brushes are created equal. Some may require special care or storage solutions. So always check the manufacturer's instructions when you buy a new brush. In conclusion, storing your brushes properly is a crucial step in maintaining their performance and extending their lifespan. It might seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in your makeup application. Proper storage not only keeps your brushes clean but also extends their lifespan. So, let's give our brushes the care they deserve. After all, they are an integral part of our beauty routine. We've shared our tips, now it's your turn. We're all about building a community here at MyFace Beauty and Stylist Academy, a place where we can learn from each other. So, let's keep the conversation going. Maybe you have a question about a tricky brush technique, or perhaps you've got a brilliant tip for keeping your brushes in top condition. Whatever it is, we want to hear from you. And who knows, your question or suggestion could be the inspiration for our next tutorial. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your beauty journey, don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Remember, your feedback is what helps us create content that you love. It's your chance to guide us on what you want to learn next. So don't be shy, drop us a comment. Your feedback helps us create content that you love. So don't be shy, drop us a comment.